Tired of your Notion looking like a digital tornado hit it? Let's transform that mess into a Zen garden of productivity in just a few steps. First, ditch the default look. Let's choose a page cover. Hover over the top of your page, click at Cover, and explore the gallery for something that inspires you, or upload your own image. Pick something that sparks joy or matches your vibe. Next, icons. They're the tiny superheroes of organization. Click the Add Icon button. Choose from the emoji library, or upload a custom icon for unique touch. Matching icons with databases or page topics can drastically improve visual recognition. Now, let's talk color. Callout Boxes are your best friend for adding pops of color and emphasizing important info. Just type Callout and choose a background color that complements your cover and icons. Organization is key. Use linked databases to connect related information without duplicating. Intent-nested pages help you create a clear hierarchy for your projects and ideas. And please, name your pages and databases descriptively. Future you will thank you. Columns are your secret weapon for layout. Drag and drop blocks that create multiple columns and break up the monotony of a single long page. Experiment with different column widths to find what works best for you. Finally, widgets. Embed a weather forecast, a countdown timer, or even your favorite Spotify playlist. These little additions can make your Notion workspace both functional and fun. And that's it. With a little bit of effort, you can transform your Notion into a visually stunning and highly organized productivity powerhouse. Now go forth and create your dream workspace. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks.